Hello, this is Sharon Naraine, and I'm coming to you here from the beautiful Sunshine State. And folks, it is like about 80 degrees today. All right, and it's gorgeous. 80 degrees. I mean, we can take that. Okay, so here's what I wanna talk with you about, folks. I am in a few home-based business. As a matter of fact, to make it more easy, I'm in with the direct mailing club. All right, it's called Impact Mailing Club, and also I'm in Cash in the Box. These are two direct, simple mail flyer programs. All right, two simple mail flyer programs that I'm in, and folks, there's a level to suit every one of you, every need. So there's no excuse. Trust me, there's no excuse. Absolutely no excuse. We do have training and support is available to you 24/7. Okay, folks. I mean, we do have people making 6 and 7 figure income with these mailing club programs. Okay, and folks, the commission is great. You make anywhere from $65 all the way to $1,000 in commission. Yes, 1,000. I tell you, the $1,000 commission. I mean, it's amazing. It is amazing when you can make that kind of money. Think about if you have 5 people who sign up. Folks, that's $5,000 coming into your pocket. Think about what you can do with 5,000.